Dear students, today we start problem number 5, exercise 13.1, NCERT book class 10. The problem 5 given, a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to S of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So this is our hemispherical and this is the cube. Suppose this is our cube, this is the cube, this is our cube, and we cutting this portion from this. The picture is this. Then we cutting this. A hemispherical depression is cut out from the one face. This face, one face. Now, what is the remaining surface area? That means the surface area means all of this same. Only this portion left out, because this also has surface, but this is area of circumflex for hemisphere. Now solution is start. Given diameter of the hemisphere D equal to L given, such that diameter L of the hemispherical is equal to S of the cube. Diameter L, therefore radius of the hemisphere, this R equal to L by 2. This is the radius of the hemisphere. And length of the edge of the cube equal to L. This length is L and this is the diameter of the hemisphere. Now we have to find the remaining surface area. That means total surface area of the cube is 6L square and surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and this portion is common for both. We left out this. So determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Therefore the surface area of the remaining solid equal to 6L square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. So total surface area of a cube 6L square, this, and this surface area is 2 pi r square, but this portion is common for this hemisphere, and this is for cube. So this we subtract pi r square, this. Now putting the value 6L square is remain same, this minus this pi r square is get 2 pi r square minus pi r square 6L square pi r means L by 2, this is L by 2 whole square, this equal to 6L square plus pi L square by 4. From these two, L square is common, we get 6 plus pi by 4, and L square remains same. 4 is LCM, this is 24 plus pi. So we get at last we get this is 1 by 4 L square pi plus 24. This is the required surface area of the remaining solid. Therefore, the required surface area of the remaining solid equal to 1 by 4 L square pi plus 24. This is our answer. This is the answer, 1 by 4 pi plus 1 by 4 L square into pi plus 24. This is our final answer. Now we consider problem number 6. Problem number 6 given. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. See the figure this 13.10. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area. Now this is the capsule. This whole length is 14 millimeter and diameter is 5 millimeter. This one given. Now, and two side is hemisphere. This is a hemisphere. This is another hemisphere. We get this. So this is hemisphere. Now what is the this diameter is 5 by 2. Then radius will be diameter is 5 millimeter. Then radius will be 5 by 2. Here also 5 by 2. So what is the length of this? This length will be 14 minus 5, then this will be 9 millimeter. This cylindrical part, this portion, this to this we get 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter we get, and this whole length is 14. Now we have to find surface area. Surface area means the cylinder surface and hemisphere surface. If we adding both of these, then we get the required surface area. So solution, given diameter of the capsule D equal to 5 millimeter, therefore radius of the capsule R equal to 5 by 2 millimeter. Total length of the capsule equal to 14 millimeter. From this to this we get 14, but we if we consider only cylindrical part, then this we left and this we left. So length of the cylindrical part equal to 14 minus this radius 5 by 2, this radius 5 by 2, 14 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So this will be 14 minus 5, half 5 and half 5 is 1 5, and this will be 9 millimeter. So this is 9 millimeter is the length of the cylindrical part. So we can consider therefore height of the cylinder equal to is equal to 9 millimeter. Height of the cylinder is 9 millimeter. So we have to find surface area. Total surface area means this cylindrical part and these two surface area. So total surface area of the capsule, total surface area of the capsule equal to this surface area of the cylinder, surface area of the cylinder, that means lateral surface area of the cylinder, plus 2 into surface area of the hemisphere. 2 into surface area of the hemisphere. Surface area of the cylinder plus 2 into surface area of the hemisphere. So surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r is 2 pi r is, and surface area of the hemisphere means 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square. We get this. So this will be 2 pi r is plus 4 pi r square. So from this 2 pi r common, then 2 pi r common, then we get h plus twice r. 4 means 2 into 2, 1 2 is common, another 2 we have, and r square common, then we get r. So putting the ready-made values, 2 pi means 22 by 7, r means 5 by 2. So answer coming soon. H means 9 and 2 into r means 5 by 2. So now these two cancel. So we get 22 by 7 into 5, and this is 2 to cancel, 9 plus 5 we get. This is 22 by 7 into 5 into 14. Then this and this 2 we get, 2 to 5 into 2, that means 2 into 5 10, 10 into 22 2 to 0, 2 to 0. So this is the total surface area. Find its surface area. Therefore the required surface area of the capsule equal to 220 millimeter square, and this is our final answer. So very nice answer. So if answer is big, then this represent today we stop here. We want to stop here, and dear students, we know how capsule in medicine capsule we know. So this is the capsule. So we get easily the surface area of the capsule. So you can find any from medicine, from pharmacy or any other medicine store, you can find taking one capsule and you can easily find the surface area of the capsule, but this is small. The figure is big, but actually this just like this. So dear students, I think this solution is very nice. If you are feeling this solution is very nice, then please like this video, and if dislike this solution not nice, then no need to like this video. If you are feeling, oh, this is very easy, very simple, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also. Thank you.